Fort Lewis College is thrilled to offer prevention education for first-year students through the Launch Course. This online program contains information tailored to the college. Through the course, as well as through a variety of live programs on campus, you will learn what behaviors are prohibited here and how to report an incident to the college or to law enforcement if it occurs. It also lets you know where to get confidential support. The course reviews how we define consent and what you and your peers can do for your fellow Skyhawks if you see a risky situation developing. The course is required by your launch course professor, and it's part of the information you really need in order to understand our culture of safety and peer support. Thank you for taking the course, and we hope you learn a lot.